Hello again, explorers! Last week we made expedition binoculars. This week we're making official safari hats for your adventure. Supply list is in the comments below. Let's get crafting! Place your bowl upside down on your right side up plate and trace around it with your marker. Carefully punch a hole in your plate and begin cutting around the edge. You'll want to be about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch from your circle that you drew. Finish cutting the circle out and then check it out. Fits quite nicely. Add some hot glue around the edge of your upside down bowl. Slide your cutout plate on top of your bowl with the glue on it. Squeeze the pieces together and begin forming your hat. Next, add some embellishments to make it more safari hat looking. Next, punch a hole on either side of your hat brim and then tie your string to either side. Trim off the excess and have a look. You can even tie the bottom of your chin strap if you'd like, make it look even more authentic. So there you have it, friends. You've now added an official safari hat to your adventure gear. We hope to see you at Museum Alive on September 29th at Oklahoma WONDERtorium. Have a great week.